Hey guys, it's Brianna and today's video is going to be on my hamster's diet. So the first two main ingredients in my hamster's diets are the Higgins Sunburst Gourmet Blend and Missouri Rat and Mouse Pellets. Every 1 to 2 days, depending on how fast they finish their food, I'll give each hamster about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the Higgins and a couple of the Missouri pellets. The exact ratio should be 1 bag of Higgins, which is 2.5 pounds, to 1 bag of Missouri, which is 2 pounds. Even though the Missouri is made for rats and mice, they are perfectly suitable for hamsters. The Higgins is great because it has 17 ingredients, so it gives my hamsters a lot of variety in their food, while the Missouri takes care of their nutrition. Together, this mix gives my hamsters about 18% protein, 6.878% fat, and 7.28% fiber, which is the perfect amount. Now on top of this, I add a few more ingredients into their diet. Every day I give them a pinch of plain oats just to add some more variety to their diet. I'll also add a bit of flaxseed because it's good for their coats. Every now and then I'll give them a small piece of milk bones for the night just to give them a little protein boost. Then 1 to 2 times a week I'll offer them fresh greens, scrambled eggs, and maybe a small fruit as a treat. It's important to note that your hamster is going to take out the good fatty parts of their food first, so sometimes you might have to leave their food in their cage for an extra day to make sure that they eat everything. If you didn't, it would be like letting them eat dessert every day instead of an actual nutritious meal. You can see it's really simple, very easy. Giving your hamster a good diet isn't something that is hard. Especially with the Higgins, since it has 17 different ingredients, it gives a lot of variety to my hamsters already, so I don't have to make a mix of my own. So that concludes my video on my hamster's diet. As always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button or maybe both, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!